Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the passwords and security. Let's enter here. Now we have to scroll down to the device security section and tap on encryption and credentials. And as you can see, we've got the whole credential storage, and almost at the very bottom we've got the option clear credentials. So basically all we have to do is to simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. Be aware that probably your device will ask you for the screen lock, of course, if you've got one currently set. And we've got the evidence that the credentials have been removed because we cannot simply tap on this option again. So basically that's all. This is how to remove certificates in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.